Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack your Honda Odyssey. First, always park your vehicle on a level, firm surface to ensure maximum stability. Next, engage the parking brake fully before you even think about lifting the vehicle. Finally, for an extra layer of safety, place wheel chocks securely behind the rear wheels. These crucial steps prevent unexpected movement and keep you safe. Now, let's find the front central jack point. You'll locate this sturdy point directly behind the engine oil pan, designed specifically for lifting the entire front end of your Odyssey. It's a strong, reinforced area. Always consult your Honda Odyssey's owner's manual for precise diagrams and exact locations to avoid any damage or unsafe lifting. Safety first, always. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Quick recommendation: if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Moving to the rear, you'll find the central jack point near the rear axle or cross member. This is where you'll position your hydraulic floor jack. Remember, a good quality floor jack is essential for safe and efficient lifting. Slowly raise the vehicle, keeping an eye on its stability, until the tire you need to work on clears the ground. Always use jack stands once lifted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.